Hey guys, armpit wax. The right hand side and the left hand side both equal. The hair is very hard, thicker. Hair growth is very fully growth for the armpit wax. First, we use the cleanser wax. Apply for the armpit. Put little amount for this product and apply very gently. Make a hair smooth and soft because this hair is really hard. And then after, take a paper towel and clean this product very gently. You look at it, this hair is the two parts, one is down and one part is right to left hand side. Then after, use the powder application very gently. The hard wax bean, I use this product, the simple hard wax is really good for the skin. Is sensitive skin is the Brazilian wax without strip wax. Then use the wax warmer container, put amount for the wax and do the little medium temperature. Then after, we use, take a spatula, apply for the half of the way for the armpit. For the simple hard wax, we apply the two section, one is up and one is down. Look at it for the hair direction. And then after, little dry this product. This is really good for the skin. After, tap and press the skin, take out the opposite direction. All the hair come out in the simple hard wax. You see too much growth, long hair, but lots of hair. Again, we again one time more application this product. I want clean properly armpit hairs in the arms, and just apply, tap, press the skin and take out the opposite direction. And then you look at it, all the hairs come out in the hard strip. This is very easy way and very good things. You apply this one, not pain too much, just only for the razor hair pain too much, but this wax you use regularly, no pain. After, this hair growth going down and hair very silky and smooth come out, no pain too much, just little good feeling. And then after, apply the wax lotion, wax oil, and then you see complete this armpit same like the another armpit. And then after, we start the arm waxing. Full hand waxing is the full growth. We started now. Apply first for the powder application good, and we use the depilator honey wax. So we apply for the hair direction, whatever the hair direction here is going up to downwards, and we apply same thing up to downwards. And take a strip, apply very well, press it, stretch the skin and take out the opposite direction. Like the same thing, all the tanning, dead skin, whatever the skin issue come out in the wax strip. Just we apply the small patches, not too big patches, very small patches in the, especially for the sensitive skin, because this area is very sensitive. That's why I apply very small amount. And then after, again we take the depilator wax and apply the whatever the leftover the hair, apply for the little amount for the wax, and take the strip, press, stretch the skin and take out the opposite direction. This process we do all for the arm. And then after, take the depilator honey wax, apply in the full hand, because this area is not too sensitive. Apply for the honey wax properly and take the strip, press and take out the opposite direction. This process, whatever the apply for the wax, take out all the wax very well. And this process you go same like full hand. And then after half of the portion is clean, then after turn around for the elbow, and you see is very long and thicker here. And then after apply the start for the hand to done for the elbow, and apply the honey wax very well. Take the strip, then after press and stretch the skin, and then after take out the opposite direction. Hopefully you like this video. Subscribe this video and comment this video and like this video. And who want new viewers, please don't forget subscribe our channel Shreem Beautyland Salon, and my name is Shri. And thank you so much, you love this channel very very much. I'm really appreciate my YouTube family. I cannot explain anything, because you are supporting too much, you are loving this channel too much. Please, something is problem, because just I upgrade my phone, what's going on I don't know, everything is ups and down. Please, I need your more support, I need your more love. Please like, share and subscribe. You share this channel, you learn this channel. I just whatever I need, I grab whatever I knowledge, I share with you my personal knowledge, whatever I do my client. And then if you like my service and you live in the Calgary, then you contact to my number and book the appointment. And then I really appreciate for you, you come to my home salon. And this process like all for the arm waxing. And now I start the shoulder to elbow waxing, and I apply the deplicator tea tree wax. My all service is client very happy. They are really appreciate, they really happy after my service. And hopefully you also very happy to see this one is all the hairs come very quickly, very easy way, not too much pain, not too much scratch, not too much redness, is very going very smooth. And all the dead skin, very most important, lots of dead skin, lots of tanning come out in the wax. Hair wax is too good, I use all the time honey wax, tea tree wax, because sometimes tea tree wax not stock in the supplier, something is problem, not coming very quickly, then we use the honey wax. This is really good for this wax. And whatever we use this wax, this is only for the Canadian product. And this one is whatever I show my all the videos, this is very good. After hair quality come down, hair growth is come down, very silk and smooth hair come, tanning is gone, dead skin is gone, and skin very silk and smooth, glowing, all the whatever the issues comes, this wax go away. This is really good for the skin. And I really appreciate to hear whatever I learn to aesthetic, all the stuff I share you, whatever I learn here. Then after we apply all the shoulder and stretch the skin, take a strip and take out the opposite direction. This process we doing all for the arms. And then after I apply the tea tree oil, and this is really good for the oil, because tea tree oil really good for the skin, whatever the issues come, then the after go away. And sometime whatever the issue come for the waxing, too much itchiness, too much burning, and too much for the rashes, then after you just apply, because sometimes skin is very sensitive, and skin is not tolerate for the little heat. That's why issues come. Sometimes folic come out not properly, and Then problem come to the acne, ingrown hairs, lots of issues. What you do after waxing, 3 to 4 days after you do the full body exfoliate. You wanna do only for the arm waxing, then you do exfoliate after 3 to 4 days, and you do full body wax, then after 3 to 4 days you full body exfoliate. Is good for help your the body, whatever the issues come then go away. But redness, itchiness, stretch the skin, all the stuff, after waxing apply the aloe vera gel. Good for skin, good for relief, good for everything. Aloe vera gel is really good for the skin and is not affected. You are not like, you are not help for the aloe vera gel, then take the ice, cover to the clothes and apply in the body. Whatever you feel itchiness, burning, all the stuff you just apply, is really good for help for your body. Hopefully you like this video, you learn this video, and hopefully you enjoy this video. And now whatever the leftover the process we do complete here. And same thing, we apply the honey wax depilator, whatever the hair in the shoulder to elbow, then we apply, take the strip, press, stretch the skin and take out the opposite direction. This process until whatever your the hand waxing is not complete, you do full process like this one same. And then after take the strip, you see before arm is so black, so tanning arm, and now all that tanning, all the dead skin go away. Skin is very glowing, skin is very smooth, not any rashes, not any too much redness. Sometimes what they do the waxing is lots of redness come, lots of pain come. But you do every day this process, believe me, not too much pain, not too much redness, not too much itchiness, not too much any skin issues come. This is really good for the skin. And do not forget, like our channel, subscribe our channel, comment our channel and share our channel. Thank you so much. I really appreciate once again all of my YouTube beautiful family, sporting family, creative family. Every person do something great, something great. Is really good, busy life, something great, something learning, how to learn, how to do this new. Some people don't know how to do that, then we are here asking question. You're not know how to do that, ask what do you do, then we reply in your the comment section. And this is the hand waxing, like a same process. Apply full of hand for the honey wax, stretch the skin very properly, stretch and take out the opposite directions. That's it. This is the main things. Skin, whatever the stretch properly, no pain. Loose skin, too much pain. Just remember these things. Thank you so much. See you in the next video, and take care. Bye bye, and God bless you all the YouTube families.